What's up, guys? In this video we're gonna add moving platforms that the player can't touch in our maze game. Okay, so yeah, we need another sprite. I'm gonna try something. Just wait a little bit. Okay, guys, I did it. Okay, so let's paint a new sprite. I'm gonna call this. No, guys, I'm not gonna call it. I was just joking. Platforms. I'm gonna call this platforms. Okay. I'm gonna set the outline to 3. And set the color to orange. Okay. You can set the outline to 2. You can change this if you want. You can change the colors. You can change the outline. You can change the size. Okay. Can make a little bigger. Like this. Or boom. No. Yeah, this is good. Let's make it so it fits like this. Okay, I create my platform. Okay, I'm gonna call this moving deadly platform. Moving deadly platform. Okay, I'm gonna change the color to red. Yeah. Oh, but it looks like the same color. So I'm gonna change the color. I'm just gonna make this orange. Okay. So when green flag clicked, hide. Go to events, the yellow category, and take out the when I receive and change this to start game, and then go to looks, purple category, and take a show block. And but don't take a show block because we're gonna use clones. Because maybe we're gonna put more than one clone. So let's create a clone of myself. When I start as a clone, show. And which level do you want that the moving platform shows? I want it in level 3 because we have lots of space in here. Okay, so let's put an if level equals 3 or 2 because we start from level 0. That's a little confusing. I'm gonna change to level 1, level 2, level 3, maze, gain the player. We have changed to 3 then. Okay. And change this to 3 too. Okay, I want to make it go right here. So I'm gonna drag it. No, I want to make it go here. So I'm gonna drag where I want him to be. Yeah, this is good. Then go to motion, drag this block here. Go to X, Y. Okay, let's try that. Okay, it didn't show. Oh, and guys, I forgot to put a forever loop in here. Sorry. Okay, start the game from the beginning. It didn't show. Yeah, it still did not show. And level 2, and now it showed. It's cool, but we can't go through it. Let's fix that. Let's go to the player, and here, if touching maze, put an ore block in here, and put a touching platforms, and do the same thing in the Y, move Y script. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, we can't go through these. That's good. Yeah, and we can go through the platform. Guys, maybe we'll later fix that there's a little gap between us and the platform, so fix that maybe in the future with a hitbox that's smaller than the player, and then it allows that the player can go through the wall. But maybe we'll fix that in the future. Okay, now let's make it move. So forever move 10 steps. I'm gonna make a new variable, call this platform speed for all sprites, and I'm gonna set platform speed guys, I'm very sick, but yeah, I'm a little bit sick. Okay, let's put platform speed in here, and guys, repeat until touching maze. Okay, and after that, repeat until not touching maze, and move the blank value minus platform speed steps. You can put a 0 in here if you want. Okay, let's try that. Okay, it doesn't work that well. Okay, and after that, let's put another one of these, but again 0 minus platform speed. Or maybe, wait, sorry guys, I'm gonna try to find how we can do this. Okay guys, I find it why it's not working. It's because it's not working because we put it go to XY in a forever loop. Let's just put this in when I start as a clone for now. Like this. We'll change that later. For now, let's make it like this. Okay, now it goes to the left. It's very slow. Okay, and now let's make that it can't go through walls. So if touching maze, move 0 minus platform speed steps. Okay, that works. Now can't go through walls. That's amazing. Okay, and now let's put another one and change this to 0 minus platform speed. Wait. Okay guys, I finally find the way. But so if then touching maze, move you can put a 0 or just an empty value in here. 0 minus platform speed steps. If then direction equals 90, point in direction 90, else point in direction minus 90, and if then else point in direction minus 90, and repeat until touching maze, move platform speed steps. Okay, so it goes a little bit fast. I tested it, so I'm going to set the platform speed to 4. Let's try that. Okay. And level 2, level 3. Wow, works. But yeah. We're gonna fix this in another episode. But for now, that's not a very big problem. But we're gonna fix this in another episode. Okay. So now let's make that the platforms are deadly. So go to the player sprite, and we don't take this platform if touching platforms away, because we're gonna add more platforms in the platform sprite. Okay, let's put when green flag clicked. When I receive start game. Guys, I'm back. Okay, so when I receive start game forever, if touching platforms, then just stop all. We're gonna add health bars and health in a future episode. Can hide the platform speed variable, and let's try it. Okay. Take the apple. Yeah, it's there. And when we touch it, it does work. Yeah, we die. We don't have other platforms, so we can't take this or touching platforms thing out of there, because yeah, yeah, we don't have any more platforms. Well, we're gonna make a variable or something in a future episode that's for not deadly platforms and deadly platforms. Wait, did I just find a bug? 1 second, guys. If touching maze, change y by y. Got that accidentally detected. Okay, yeah, we can't touch it, then we die. In the next episode, we're gonna add health and that our player can run. And see you next time. Bye bye.